Slow Kurdistan. Chon Bashum. Manawen. It's dro. I feel like I'm saying that wrong. I am sorry, Kurdistan. I try to speak a little bit. I'm sorry. But welcome everybody. So today we're gonna be reacting to Kurdish music. So I hope you guys are ready. This is new artists. So I'm really excited to find out who are they. Do we like them? Do I stand? I don't know. But this is Kurdish. Let's go. Oh yeah, this is Kurdish. I like this. Oh, she's pretty. Oh, she looks amazing. Oh, I like that thing that they play. Banjo. Oh, I don't know what you call it. Oh, yes, Kurdistan. She's really pretty. I'm not gonna lie. She looks very exotic. Oh, I wanna do that. The dance. That I wanna do that. Okay, yes. Chona, okay. Gurmede, okay. Oh, yes. Lalo, yes. Lalo. Oh, she's pretty. I like her. Hey. Oh, yes. I like that thing. That thing that they play. I don't know what's the name, but I like it. Oh, that's so nice. Very happy song. I like it. And she's really pretty. The only thing is that I don't understand, but other than that, I like it. I don't know what to say. That's pretty. Oh, she looks amazing. Stunning. Really pretty. Very epic. She looks amazing. Like her eyeliner and everything. If you have another song that I should do, please comment down below. As always, thumbs up, and let's see what do you want to see me reacting next. Okay? Love you guys so much. Till the next video. Bye.